Jordon with SSRV Rentals. This is the range in the 33-foot North Trail. All of the burners and the oven can be lit with this igniter. No lighters are needed. Notice there's a spark down below. To light the oven, press the knob in, turn it over to the flame, and you'll notice you can't turn it any further, it locks. So while you're still holding it in, turn the igniter and just kind of watch it. You'll be able to see it light, and then you'll just turn the dial over to the temperature you want. Same or similar for the burners up top. You just have to put it in the flame and then turn the wheel on the left. And that's the same procedure for all three burners. Just make sure after using this, let it cool down. Every time you run the oven or any of the burners, always use the fan. And make sure that outside you're getting air. There is a damper back there that can get closed. Better yet, if you're going to run any of this for a long period of time, leave the window open with the fan on, let it ventilate in here, or even just the screen door up front. Always make sure all the burners are back to off when you're done using it. And again, let this cool down because this glass is not heat resistant. There's a warning sign on it. Don't put hot pans on it either because what'll happen is it's going to shatter. I've seen these shatter. All it takes is one hot pan or to put that glass down right after you're done cooking. So let it cool down. If you have any questions, feel free to call me, text me, 928-916-9988. Let's get you set up at camp.